Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn 100 commonly used English sentences. So, let's start the video. I am learning new things. I am learning new things. The clouds are moving across the sky. The clouds are moving across the sky. He is fixing the car in the garage. He is fixing the car in the garage. The wind is blowing through the trees. The wind is blowing through the trees. The flowers are opening up to the sun. The flowers are opening up to the sun. She is cheering on her team at the game. She is cheering on her team at the game. He is going to the movies to see a film. He is going to the movies to see a film. He is going to the farm to see the animals. He is going to the farm to see the animals. The garden center is selling plants and flowers. The garden center is selling plants and flowers. I am going to the grocery store to buy food. I am going to the grocery store to buy food. She is reading a book. She is reading a book. He is playing soccer. He is playing soccer. They are having a party. They are having a party. We are going to the beach. We are going to the beach. The cat is sleeping on the couch. The cat is sleeping on the couch. The dog is running in the yard. The dog is running in the yard. I am eating an apple. I am eating an apple. She is drinking water. She is drinking water. They are watching a movie. They are watching a movie. We are listening to music. We are listening to music. The flowers are blooming in the garden. The flowers are blooming in the garden. The sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly. She is feeling happy. She is feeling happy. We are running late for our class. We are running late for our class. The traffic is heavy and slow. The traffic is heavy and slow. The line is long and frustrating. The line is long and frustrating. I am feeling sick and tired. I am feeling sick and tired. She is feeling anxious and worried. She is feeling anxious and worried. He is feeling depressed and sad. He is feeling depressed and sad. They are feeling angry and frustrated. They are feeling angry and frustrated. We are feeling overwhelmed and stressed. We are feeling overwhelmed and stressed. He is taking a trip to Europe. He is taking a trip to Europe. The flowers are fragrant and colorful. The flowers are fragrant and colorful. I am practicing my golf swing. I am practicing my golf swing. She is visiting her sister in New York. She is visiting her sister in New York. He is working on his car in the garage. He is working on his car in the garage. The phone is charged, I can use it now. The phone is charged, I can use it now. I am making dinner for my family. I am making dinner for my family. He is taking a painting class. He is taking a painting class. The sky is clear and blue. The sky is clear and blue. The movie is interesting. The movie is interesting. The music is loud. The music is loud. I am going to the store. I am going to the store. She is going to the park. She is going to the park. He is going to the beach. He is going to the beach. The bird is flying. The bird is flying. She is excited for her vacation. She is excited for her vacation. He is planning a trip. He is planning a trip. The mountain is beautiful. The mountain is beautiful. The ocean is peaceful. The ocean is peaceful. I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for my family. She is thankful for her friends. She is thankful for her friends. He is appreciative of his health. He is appreciative of his health. The gift is thoughtful. The gift is thoughtful. Are you feeling any better? Are you feeling any better? I am proud of my achievements. I am proud of my achievements. She is proud of her team. She is proud of her team. The cake is sweet. The cake is sweet. The ice cream is creamy. The ice cream is creamy. She is improving her skills. She is improving her skills. The alarm clock is ringing in the morning. The alarm clock is ringing in the morning. The coffee is brewing in the kitchen. The coffee is brewing in the kitchen. I am waking up feeling refreshed. I am waking up feeling refreshed. She is getting dressed for the day. She is getting dressed for the day. He is eating breakfast before leaving the house. He is eating breakfast before leaving the house. The birds are chirping in the trees. The birds are chirping in the trees. I am packing my bags for a trip. I am packing my bags for a trip. The grass is wet. The grass is wet. I am wearing a shirt. I am wearing a shirt. She is wearing a dress. She is wearing a dress. He is wearing shorts. He is wearing shorts. The chair is comfortable. The chair is comfortable. He is sending a text. He is sending a text. The weather is nice. The weather is nice. The temperature is warm. The temperature is warm. I am happy with my life. I am happy with my life. She is satisfied with her job. She is satisfied with her job. He is content with his relationship. He is content with his relationship. The drink is refreshing. The drink is refreshing. She is dreaming of faraway places. She is dreaming of faraway places. He is having a good night's sleep. He is having a good night's sleep. The students are taking a test in the classroom. The students are taking a test in the classroom. The teacher is grading papers at her desk. The teacher is grading papers at her desk. I am preparing for a job interview. I am preparing for a job interview. My head is spinning. My head is spinning. He is visiting a friend in the hospital. He is visiting a friend in the hospital. The beachgoers are building sandcastles. The beachgoers are building sandcastles. I am going to the museum to see an exhibit. I am going to the museum to see an exhibit. She is going to the theater to see a play. She is going to the theater to see a play. The actors are performing on stage. The actors are performing on stage. He is practicing for his performance. He is practicing for his performance. They are rehearsing for their play. They are rehearsing for their play. We are training for the marathon. We are training for the marathon. The air is cool and refreshing. The air is cool and refreshing. The water is clear and crisp. The water is clear and crisp. I am thinking about my future. I am thinking about my future. She is thinking about her next vacation. She is thinking about her next vacation. The food is delicious and satisfying. The food is delicious and satisfying. She is organizing a charity event. She is organizing a charity event. He is studying for his graduate degree. He is studying for his graduate degree. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you and always appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you.